Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video you will learn how to block numbers and unknown numbers and unidentified numbers in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, go to the call button of your tablet here. Then go to these three vertical dots and click on settings here, and here just click on blocked numbers, and here just turn on this button unknown, so it will block calls from unidentified callers. You won't receive calls or text from blocked numbers. Okay, if you would like to add particularly some numbers, click on add a number and type here the number. Here I just type a number. Click on block and the add a number will be blocked. Okay, in this way you can add more number. Click on add a number again and type another number. Okay, so you will not receive calls and any messages from the blocked numbers. Okay, click on block. So in this way you can easily add more numbers to block. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.
Bye.